Thirikari kugerera ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni hurite frigisheni uria watho wa kafyu uramukirio ni a Kenya. Munini wa minister wa ugitiri Hussein Dado aikinyitie kaunti-ini ya Kilifi kuria ni kumwe gwa kuria gutaritwo ta miena iria ihatikaine ya murimo wa COVID-19.
The curfew doesn't start when you close your shop. You close your shop early so that the employees can reach home. By 7, everybody should be in the house. And for those who are not working, please stay at home.
Ona gukirio Dado ni arathingata a Kenya guthina mbere kuyukia ikinya riri ona hatari maitho ma ofitha a ugitiri kuona COVID-19 ni ndamathi egumeire thi ngima na no ihotanirwo mundu wothe anginyita itemi riake kiumbe.
It's not a curfew for leisure. It's not a curfew for the sake of it. We are trying to save lives here. So we are asking kindly adhere to the principles of this curfew.
Hindi no atwarithia a boda matanyihire 900 tauni ya Malindi ni maikitio ngono ni kwaga gwathikira watho wa curfew.
And we have arrested more than 900 bodas at the police station now. They should make sure they keep their bodas at home because boda riders are spreading the disease to a great extent.
Frigisheni ino itafanitio tauni-ini itiganite kaunti ya Kilifi na Mombasa. Gerifotera Inooro TV, Jetago Wajiko wa Kimani.